Rolling down the boulevard, sun hitting my shade.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And मैं आ चुकी हूँ MBN Small Gurgaon to host summer camp. And there are a lot of people who watch my videos but they don't like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I would like to request you all, even if you watch my videos, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And here I'm going to share a lot of fun activities with kids, a lot of entertainment is here and a lot of drama is here. Because that's what entertainment is made for. तो मैं आप लोगों को यहाँ पे बहुत ही entertain करने वाली हूँ. Plus I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks about anchoring and how to host public events. So बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें मैं अपनी इन वीडियोस में शेयर करती रहूँगी आप लोगों के साथ. उसके लिए करना क्या है आपको? You have to just like my videos, share my videos and subscribe to my channel so that I get motivated to post more and more videos. Thank you guys.
Few moments later.
Hi, good morning. क्या लेकर आए हो आप मेरे लिए? हाँ, chocos.
Yeah.
I have also got gift for you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Did you miss me yesterday?
Yeah,
So much?
yeah, so much.
I have also bought gift for you, specially for you. Can you guess what could it be?
No,
What do you think?
I didn't know, Mom.
You don't know, ma'am? But I have got a very special gift for you. So guys, I am searching gift for cutie. Yes, I got it. So I have got gift for you. Welcome. Because you are so cute and I had to get a gift for you. Hi, good morning. So I will see you in some time, okay? So Keshav is here and he promised me that he is going to dance on stage. And she is Keshav's friend. So Keshav, are you ready to dance today on stage?
I'm going to dance on Barbie today.
On Barbie. Are you going to dance on Barbie? No, which song?
Some silence.
Silence? Which song is that? No, Sahaj. Every time I come, you gift me something. No. No, cuties. No, you have it. Sahaj, did you enjoy the food? Did you enjoy the food?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, now say bye-bye to me. Give me one kissy. Thank you.
Where's she going?
She's going for her class. Bye. I love you. Carissa, did you miss me yesterday in your class? I was not there.
Mom, I have a complaint.
You always have a complaint.
No.
You always have a complaint.
No, I want to tell you this.
Few moments later.
I had some time, तो मैंने सोचा मैं थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर करती हूँ और देखती हूँ क्या नई कलेक्शन आई है. एंड गाइस, H&M में बहुत अच्छी कलेक्शन आई हुई थी एंड तो मैंने कुछ वहाँ से शॉपिंग करी है. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू मे बी इन माई नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग. सो यू माई क्यूटी पटूटी.
Yes.
डू यू लाइक मी, सहज? Thank you. Thank you. Why you're so cute, Sahaj? Huh?
I don't know.
Why you're so cute, cutie patootie, cutie patootie, cutie patootie,
I
cutie patootie.
don't know.
I know why you're so cute. I know. Can you give me one more kissy? Oh, I love you. Now tell me what you're gonna make today.
I don't know.
You don't know everything. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know.
already, and we'll come back to you after 5 minutes and then see how you make sheep together. Deal? Perfect, perfect. I'm going to come back to you. And now you tell me, what are you making today?
I am making the sea and some fish. I am making some fish and sea.
Sorry, what are you making?
Fish in the sea.
Fish in the sea. And how are you planning to make the sea?
I took
I'm here and Uniqlo. I had to buy one white tee, so just buying that, and after this I'm gonna go to H&M and check it out what's there.
One eternity later.
My event is over and now I'm going back to my home, stuck in a traffic jam, which is like normal thing. And आधे घंटे में पहुंच जाऊंगी घर, क्योंकि मैं बहुत देर से निकल रखी हूँ यहाँ से, और आधा घंटा और लगेगा मुझे, मैं अपने घर आ जाऊंगी. एंड उसके बाद मैं सोच रही हूँ सैलून जाने के लिए, बिकॉज मैं बहुत दिनों से सोच रही हूँ सैलून जाने के लिए, मेरे को टाइम ही नहीं मिल पा रहा है. एंड बिकॉज अभी मेरे पास बहुत टाइम है, सो मैं सोच रही हूँ उस टाइम को यूटिलाइज कर लेती हूँ. एंड मुझे हेयर वॉश भी कराना है, a lot of things I want to get done. So yes, that's my plan after reaching home, and let's see if I have the same energy like I have right now. So yeah, that also depends. वो भी depend करता है ना, because same energy होना, बातें करना तो अच्छी बात है, बातों के साथ action करना वो भी तो ज़रूरी है ना, otherwise what is the fun? There's no fun. So yes. And guys, that girl Sehaj, she brought, so today I brought chocolates for her, and not only for her, for so many kids over here, and because they're so cute, and I felt like let me just do this. And but I had no idea about that little girl. She brought candies for me. My God, how sweet was that? How cute was that? And let me tell you guys, this girl Sehaj, she makes so much drama. She cries every single minute for no reason, and she wants to become a friends with elder girls. You know, girls who are elder to her. And elder means elder. Like if somebody is like 10 years old, 11 years old, she wants to become friends with them. And how can you be friends with them? Come on. There's a big age gap, because she might be just 3 years old. And then when they say no, and you know, they just send her back to her seat, and then she cries, she makes big drama. And they're like, she comes to me, ma'am, ye mere friend nahi ban rahe hai. And then she was like, no, you come with me, you come with me. So I'm like, oh my God. So this is what she does, and she wants to sit with elder people. She don't want to sit with her age group. No, she wants to sit with elder people, and she wants them to pamper her all the time. That's what she wants. And summer camp में बहुत mixed crowd होता है, and everybody is here just to have fun. You know, all these kids. So that is not possible for everybody just to pamper her. But we cannot do anything because she is just too young, too young. Guys, traffic देखना चाहोगे आप?